What's up, Cheyenne? What's happening, bro? How are you today, my guy? What's happening today, brother? Brother. Didn't get any trades? Nice, man. That's good. That's good. That means you're not trying to force anything, you know? You're waiting for your setup to happen. It doesn't happen, so there's no trades, right? A lot of people can't stick to those. A lot of people can't stick to that. They're not disciplined enough. What's up, Seal? What's up, guys, in the TikTok? We're going up or sell? Price is going to continue bullish, in my opinion. Whether it's now or during New York session, we'll see. But I mean, we could, as usual, we could get the pullbacks consolidation during this like mid-London session. But the closer we get to New York Open, I think it's going to continue bullish. For sure, ski up into previous daily highs up here. What's up, Squizzly? What's happening, bro? What's up, Charlin? Talkie Trader, what's happening? What's going on, guys? On my website, Realist, on my website, the link is in my profile, bro. In my TikTok profile. Let me just do a quick Instagram post. What's up, Tony? Tried 1 AM for trading windows. What do you mean, Tony? The oh, is that the actual start of the trading window? 1 AM for you? The first trading window? Oh, that's 1 AM. Damn, bro. So what? You usually just wake up a couple hours into the window. Yo, chat here, thank you for the diamonds, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, my guy. Hey, Anna, hope you had a... Yeah, I did, man. It was good. It was good. Spent some quality time with my daughter in the morning. I got some videos done for the indicator and the academy in the afternoon, and then traded. And then, yeah, here we are, live streaming. It was a great day. How was your day, Anna? I also need to put today's trade in the journal if you guys can remind me in a little bit. Chilling Squizzy, let's go. So I think I can catch them and get 3M like I've been, and that leaves 2 hours in that window. Okay, so you trade halfway through this trading window, Tony. I mean, that's not a bad idea, but then you'll be trading at London session open, like the exact open, which can be good and it can be bad. Obviously you're more likely to catch that volume during London open, but you know, it can go either way really. Price during London open likes to just completely reverse, as we saw today, right? So London open is right here, is this candle right here. I mean, it went with the overall trend, right? Like what we was looking for. We was looking for buys today. That's why I took the buys over here. But you can see like price is coming down, 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 and then literally London open happens, boom, reversal, price continues bullish. So on the lower time frames, you can potentially get caught in here, right? Especially on the 5 minute. But I mean, if that's what's been working for you, bro, that's how you've been consistent, then stick at that. Had lots of meetings. Oh, nice. Lena and Joyson, thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. Am I in buys now? No, I'm not in buys now. Had buys earlier. Actually, it seems like everyone in the academy had buys today, right? So that's good. It means the teachings are working. Everyone's following along. Yeah, Anna had buys. Seal had buys, I think. Oh, he might have had sales actually. Russia had buys. Yeah. Sam had buys. The name Sam, yeah, S. Is it safe for buys now? I mean, X. Look at what's happening, bro. Look at the chart. Look at this in here. This is rejection happening right here, right? So it's probably not best to look for buys right now. See what happens with this pullback. Price could be coming in to test in this previous level of structure over here. So you can see, right? Clear level in the market. Price has interacted with multiple times. So yeah, price is currently bearish, right? You can see this 15-minute candle is bearish. So just wait and see what happens around this level. You might get some nice price action in here, retest, and you can look for buys then at that point. But obviously right now price is heading down during this 15. Can I join? Join what, Talkie? What do you want to talk? What do you want to join, bro? What am I doing? I'm trading, Joyson. Trading gold. Wow, looking at gold. I've took my trade earlier over here. And there was a, there was a 15-minute buy signal in here. There was some nice structure. there was some nice structure that I used, I think. Like these levels right here as well. So, you know, if you take a look to the left, you know, somewhere in here, right, you can see clear structure, right? You got support over here, support, resistance, resistance, price broke above, buy signal during the trading window. You can anticipate that volume coming into the market. It's beautiful. Beautiful price action. I think it was this level actually. Yeah, somewhere in there. What's up, Tanui? Australia, Joyce. Matter of fact, let me bring this chat over here so people on YouTube can see the TikTok chat. To my Discord, I mean, I don't like giving the Discord out too much to non-members, Talkie. Sometimes I do. But I want to keep it nice and tight for the members so that I can focus on answering members' questions and helping them out rather than too many just people from the YouTube and stuff, you know? Melbourne. I'm in Melbourne. The indicator give a good start to my live account. Let's go, Seal. Hi, Cody. What we're looking at, this is gold, fortune, and potentially, I mean, if we're just taking a look at price action, if we're just turning everything up on the chart, we're looking at price action right now. You know, 4 hours looking very bullish, right? Look at the rejections in here, right? Price creating higher highs, higher lows. Previous daily as well, also bullish. Even though today we have broken previous daily lows. Yeah. Overall, I would say, you know, just look for those continuation buys. Where that's going to be, we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Right, price is retesting this level at the moment, so I'm just going to turn this. I'll leave it. Oh, what's up, Sam? Welcome to the YouTube. How are you? As you wish. Yeah, I mean, you can always chat in here, Talkie. But yeah, the Discord is for just members at the moment. What did Tanu say? What app do you use to be able to see yourself and TikTok? What do you mean, see myself and TikTok, Tanu? See myself and TikTok? What do you mean? What's up, little Foxy? Which platform? This is TradingView, and to enter trades I use MT5. Appreciate the follows on TikTok. Oh yeah, Squizzy. Thanks, bro. I need to put in today's trade in the journal. Trading the funding account takes away the freedom of trading. It does. It really does. It has pros and it has cons, you know, just like a lot of things in life, but it does take away the freedom. Normally watching on TikTok, but got this off the Discord. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I should probably put it in the Discord. That I'm live, right? Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. What's up, Omar? Let's go, Omar. Tanubi, what do you mean, bro, with that question? What app do I use to be able to see myself and TikTok? What do you mean, bro? Am I taking a trade? I've already took a trade, Nabin. I already took my trade for today. My trade today was this right here. I mean, how do you set up your computer? We are able to see you and both chats on TikTok. What's up, Halen? How did you set up your computer? We are able to see you and both chats on TikTok. What do you mean both chats? I use OBS on my right hand screen over here for YouTube, and I use TikTok Live Studio over on my left monitor over here. And on my middle monitor, I have the charts. Hi, Rochelle. I just entered Academy today. I know, let's go, bro. Do you share your trades or just thoughts? I don't share exact entries or trades, but the indicator pretty much does that for you now. I used to share my trades and share my signals, but I felt like most people wasn't really interested in that. Most people just want to learn how to trade themselves, right? So they can take the trade themselves instead of just following signals. So I stopped doing that. Because also if I was going to do that, like course, signals, all that like usual crap, obviously the price would be a lot more as well. So I think at the moment it's good. It's, you know, what you get is very good price. You get a lot with it. You also still get the indicator, which gives signals, which is what I would trade anyway. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. Oh, nice, Halen. Nice, bro. Yeah, FE Marks is great, man. You're gonna like it. It's a really good broker. It is on TradingView, Tanu, yeah, but it's you have to get it through my website. Ali Raza, thank you for the follow. What's the breakdown of this trade? Okay, so the trade basically, you know, looking at today, and why did I choose this one in particular? So looking at today, again, like I just said, right? I was looking at the daily. All right, previous daily lows had been taken. That's fine. And I was just taking a look at the momentum, right? So we had bullish engulfing here. We had, you know, lows, higher lows, highs, higher highs forming. So structure wise on the daily, very bullish. And even if you just zoom out as well and just take a look at the overall picture of the daily, it's very bullish. Obviously, everyone knows that about gold at this point. So, you know, a lot of things pointing to the buys in terms of structure, in terms of momentum. You can see it going down to the 4-hour time frame as well early this morning. You know, spiked out of the lows on here on the 4-hour time frame, spiked out, rejected all the way back up and closed bullish, right? And then the second 4-hour candle, sorry, the third 4-hour candle right here, this is the candle where I look for trades. And so price is breaking previous highs, okay, previous 4-hour highs. As you can see right here, comes up, taps, rejects, pulls back, creates a 4-hour bottom wick in here, right? So this is the 4-hour bottom wick coming down. I also did have a trade in here somewhere which hit break even, so I entered one. Like I said, I was only looking for buys today, so that's the reason I only took the buys in terms of the signals, because there was a sell signal, if I'm correct. Yeah, there was a sell signal here, but obviously you go with what the indicator is telling you, right? So the key levels were green over here on the bias. The 4-hour was bullish, the daily was bullish. You would be looking at buys at that point. You wouldn't be looking at sell. So I didn't obviously take that sell. I did take this buy over here first of all. Like I said, it went 10 pips into profit, 11 pips. I moved my stops to break even, got hit at break even. I was out that trade. Didn't take this one because I was only looking at buys. Gave it a second chance, right? Because always, if my trade hits break even, I'll give it a second chance. Entered up here once price started breaking the highs over here, breaking this level, previous 4-hour highs, and went up. So just following overall momentum, overall structure from the daily, from the 4-hour. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, overall structure, overall momentum from the daily, the 4-hour, and just looking to take signals in that direction. That's it. That is it. Simple. What app am I trading from? This is TradingView, and I enter my trades on MT5. Yo, Gilbert, thank you for the 30 diamonds, my guy. Gilbert regularly dropping diamonds in the TikTok chat. Let's go. So yeah, basically the indicator does everything for you, right? You just have to understand where price is at the current moment just by doing your analysis, right? This is why I say this indicator works best with with your own strategy or simple technical analysis, understanding structure, understanding trend, momentum, where price could be heading to based on the daily, the 4-hour. And then you just take the signals within that with that direction, with that analysis, right? So if I go back, you will see that the levels, the key levels, right over here, the intraday key levels were green, right? So green obviously means you're looking for buys. Okay, so you wouldn't even be taking this sell. The sell did go 10 pips into profit, or 11 pips, so you would have moved your stops to break even and got here break even anyway, but we wouldn't have even taken sell. So very simple, yeah? You guys are probably expecting a very complicated answer as to why I took this trade. Very simple. Indicator is definitely worth it. Appreciate that, Samantha. I took the last buy of the session, missed the big one on 15 as I was getting kids ready for school. Oh, nice. I mean, yeah. Sam, that's... I feel you on that, right? I've got a daughter myself, and, you know... Time is very important when you have kids, and that's why I built this strategy around certain trading windows, right? Because this window starts for me, the one that the first window right here, this starts at 3 p.m. for me, Australian time. So By that time, if I have to pick my daughter up from daycare, I usually do that around 2 o'clock-ish, right? Pick her up, bring her home, put her for an afternoon nap. And then I get from like 2:30 up until like 4, 5 if she sleeps for a couple of hours to trade. So these trading windows are perfect for me, perfect. And that's the reason why I can only really stream at this time, because of my daughter and my family. But you know, we make it work. As parents, we make it work, you know, we have to. You never trade on Mondays? Nice. I like that. That's good discipline. Look at 4H. If close under, will go down again, right? 4H. If close under 3397. 23397. I mean, potentially we got the weekly open right here. So that's where price is currently hovering around, the weekly open. New weekly candle open. Yeah, exactly, Samantha. That's what, you know, you can now plan your days and your routine around these certain trading windows. So you know exactly when you have to trade, exactly when you have time away from trading, so you can plan on doing things there. But you know at the end of the day, boom, I have to be at the charts at this time or this time, and that is it. Your kids are the reason for doing this, legend. Nice, bro. Love that. I mean, I'm the same, you know. Naked chart, Massa. Nice, Frenchie. So you are Francois? Is that how you say it? Francois? Nice, man. I'm terrible at pronouncing names, so I apologize. Francois, okay, I thought so, yeah. On my website, Peter, on my website. You'll find the link down below in the description. Yeah, this is gold, Pepe. Pepe. But yeah, just keep looking at the 4-hour time frame, guys. Just keep looking at the 4-hour, understanding where the 4 hours at. Get rid of everything, right? Just get rid of everything in your chart and just look at the 4-hour time frame here. What's happening, right? You can see, remember last week? This was last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Gold was stuck in this consolidation, right? Gold was stuck in this consolidation here. And now look what's happened. Prices broke out. It's come down and retested it. Look at these rejections. 1, 2, 3. Now we're moving up, right? So you can potentially anticipate price coming into this like overall area here, either the highs or into the bodies here, and potentially look at breaking and continuing bullish, right? Or what it's going to do, create lower highs in here and then continue bearish past this level and back down into these lows, right? Obviously, I know that's very easy to do. Oh, it's going to go bullish or bearish, but you still have to map it out and understand where price is at, what can happen, right? And obviously right now we've broken this key level, price has retested it, rejected it, pushing it up. So at this very moment, it's likely, or there's a possibility that price can come into these highs over here, right? To try and either break it, make new highs up in here, or even just retest it as a like double top resistance before continuing bearish. But at least we know what is happening right now in the 4-hour time frame, right? So again, we can start to anticipate potential moves in this direction. Daniel 2000, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. What's happening this week? Good question, actually. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the weekly. I was actually meant to do a video on this. So weekly perspective, right? Very tricky right now on gold. Because again, I could literally just sit here and say it could either go bullish or it could either go bearish. But obviously that's, you know, one of those things is going to happen. But if we taking a look at the overall picture, price is very bullish right now, obviously. Okay. But taking a look at the previous weekly candle, you can see that it actually broke two previous higher lows at that point, breaking bullish structure, right? Hasn't made a top wick and closed bearish. So some resistance has been formed right now in the weekly, right up here. Now, yo, Gilbert, what's up, brother? You going crazy on the TikTok? Thank you for the 10 diamonds, brother. Let's go. Gilbert just sitting in the background, dropping diamonds. So there's obviously, you know, two scenarios. Again, anyone can say this, but we're either going to continue with the overall trend, and this is why I said it's in a bit of a weird spot at the moment, because, you know, if we take a look at the 4-hour, right, we can clearly see a bit of consolidation right now. You know, even looking at this whole picture right here, you know, from kind of in this area to here, price is in this range. It's kind of consolidating, especially the most recent price action in here, right? Very messy sideways action. So there's two things that's going to happen, right? It's either going to come up today, right, Monday, turn bullish, which obviously follows on from Friday's bullish daily candle, create a weekly top wick, right? Create a weekly top wick, so whatever it may be, you know, 100, 200 pips, create a top wick up here, then flip bearish, then start heading down for these previous weekly lows, start breaking these lows, and continue bearish, right? That's obviously one scenario. The other scenario is price has made the bottom wick for the weekly candle already, and we're just going to absolutely drive up into these highs for the rest of the week, and even potentially further, which would continue on with the overall trend, right? Overall structure. So that's why that's why watching the daily candles is important, because you want to see that start to develop then on the daily time frame. Higher highs, higher lows, nice bullish daily closures, right? There's obviously key levels in here from the daily perspective as well that price can tap into, the support, resistance level. You know, so at this point on Monday, there's not really much you can do except for see how today's candle closes, see how Monday's candle closes, and then kind of see where price is at then, heading into Tuesday, Wednesday, the midweek, and then just keep taking a look at the weekly and see what's happening. But in my opinion, we've spiked out of the lows over here, right? Grab liquidity. In last week's weekly candle, and now we're going to continue with the overall current trend, right, and push bullish and start moving up into these highs over here. That's what I think is going to happen this week. Whether that happens today, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think at some point we'll get that move back up into 2392.070 this week. All right, that's my opinion. What's going to happen this week? But again, I could be very wrong about that. This could just be forming a top wick for the weekly. Once it flips back bearish, starts driving down, we could get a big sell-off as well, right? What have we got this week? We got, yeah, okay. Okay, this week on the US dollar, we have unemployment, we have NFP, we have Fed interest rate decision, JOLT job openings, ISM services, and Fed press conference. So we have a lot of high impact red folder news this week. So this week could just be an absolute mess of a week, right? If I'm being honest. Tomorrow is when we have the Fed interest rate decision. So tomorrow, I'm not going to be trading at all. I'll say that right here, right now. There's going to be no trades for me tomorrow whatsoever, at all. On days when there's interest rates, inflation, or NFP, I do not trade at all. So I'm done, right? I've had my trade today, $1,120. I need to put that in a journal. And I'm just going to chill for, okay, what we got Wednesday, Tuesday, no. What's this? Oh no, this is Wednesday. Okay. So tomorrow we're good. Wednesday we have Fed interest rate decision. And Friday we have the NFP. So Tuesday and Thursday are going to be, so this week it's going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are going to be my only trading days, right? I'll be fasting tomorrow, yeah. I'll be fasting on the charts tomorrow as well, bro. Coco, Rama, Nat, Hook, thank you guys for the follows and the shares on the TikTok. Appreciate you. So yeah, Monday. So today's a trading day. Tomorrow's a trading day. Then Wednesday and Friday, no trading days, and a trading day Thursday. All right. But be very careful this week. Be very careful. It's looking chopped, if I'm being honest, right? It's not looking too promising this week in terms of the news that we have, right? So, I mean, yeah, let's just see how this weekly candle pans out. This could potentially be huge, right? Like I said, this is what could push gold up. If there's negative news, especially interest rates or NFP, you're gonna see gold absolutely fly, right? And that could give us then that move back up into those previous weekly highs that I was talking about. So yeah. I deleted my trade. Also need to take a screenshot of this. Snazzy on the TikTok said sell. He's looking for sells. Very nice. Let me just move the TikTok chat out of the way and let me put in my trade for today. So on a nice little win streak now, three win streak. I rarely ever have a big win streak. It's usually 3 or 4 trades that I win, and then I'll have a loss. It's very consistent. It's very consistent that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, then a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 losses. 1, 2, 3, then a loss. 1, 2, then a loss. Now we're on 1, 2, 3. So next trade I take could be a loss. And it kind of makes sense this week coming up, right? With NFP and interest rates, the market could be very choppy. I could get caught out. This was at 1730. 5:30. Look at that. Wait, 5:30 a.m. No, that would have been 5:30 p.m. My brother. The last trade I had was 5:20 p.m. and then this trade was 5:30 p.m. Consistent timing there. Buys. That one was also a buy. This was type 2. 15 for H 4 5 15 W. What was it again? $1.20 and 39 cents. What's my win rate? No disrespect. I don't take any disrespect whatsoever from that AI trading. That is a genuine question, bro. So don't stress about it. My win rate is 63.64%. $63.64%. So far for April, I've taken 17 trades, and my win rate for April is 79%. For March, I took 16 trades. My win rate was 69%. So it looks like I may be ending this month. I don't know if I'll trade the rest of this week. The new month starts on Wednesday. So I could have had a 10% increase in win rate from last month to this month, which is good. It just shows improvement, consistency, you know. Usually I'm around about the 70%. As you can see, right? February 74, March 69, April 79. Usually I'm around about the 70% win rate area for each month, which shows consistency. January was just crazy, because obviously it was the start of the month, start of the year. It can be very, like, you know, sometimes I don't even trade January, or I'll trade the, you know, the very end of it, or like halfway through it. But yeah. Mayhem, yeah, mayhem. Mayhem this week. Mayhem incoming. Yeah, quarter two started off nicely, bro. Must be the new indicator here. Usual stop loss size, no more than 50 pips. No, I'd sometimes have more than 30 pips. Sorry, not 50. But in that case, I will half my lot size. So usually I'll use a 5 lot for most of my trades. Under, yeah, I would say like 25, 30 pips. Anything over that, I'll use a 2.5 lot size, so I'll half it. So I'm halving my risk as well. Sometimes I'll use a 1 lot size if it's like a 60, 70 pip stop loss. I don't really usually like to take those kind of trades if it's that big, but sometimes I will, depending on the setup. But if that's the case, I'll just use a 1 lot. 1 to 5%. Oh, you usually risk 1 to 2% max? Yeah, nice. I risk anywhere from 1 to 5%, depending on the setup, like I said. So yeah, this I'm stuttering. I need to calm down. I need to think about what I'm saying before I say it. I just get excited. So this has been this shows you, right, that you only have to trade one pair consistently to get good results. The last trade that I took on GJ was the 9th of February. So right at the beginning of February. Ever since then, I've took over 33 trades strictly on gold. And my account has gone from 22,000 to 45,000 just from trading gold alone since the start of Feb, right? So it just shows you don't need to trade. You don't need to trade like 5, 6, 7, 10, 15 pairs. Just focus on consistency. Focus on one pair, right? But not a lot of people can do that. Not a lot of people do that, especially beginners, because some weeks I don't have trades. I won't trade for a couple of days, right? If I don't see a setup, I won't take it. But new traders get very impatient. They're not very disciplined, and they think that you have to take, you know, a minimum of one trade a day, or trade like 5 pairs and try and get as much entries as you can, because they just see dollar signs flashing in their eyes like, oh my god, I want to be a millionaire Forex trader by this time in 2 months, right? So, which is fine, you know, we all go through that stage. We've all been there, right? But eventually you should learn and grow to understand that mastering one pair is really all you need. You're doing a great job. I'm following you. You're entering stop loss. I start to book a good profit. Nice, Sajid. Let's go, bro. Good sales today. I took buys today, Hasib. In terms of sales, I wouldn't really be looking at sales at the moment. I aspire to get there. You will. You will, Squizzy. You will, bro. It just takes time. As long as you understand that it takes time, and there's literally no time limit in order for you to get profitable or get to a point where you think you're, you know, a trader or whatever it may be. Just realize that it takes time. If that's 4, 5 years, then so be it, right? Just stick at it. Just practice discipline, right? Focus on discipline. Don't focus on profits, pips, you know, money. Focus on discipline, consistency. Those are the hardest things to master. I had an entry 2330 at night, and when it went from 2324 to 2320, I panicked and closed. Can't panic, Hasib. This is the thing, right? Working on your emotions. The psychological aspect of trading. Next time, Hasib, take a little bit of profits, right? Even if you take 25% profits, move your stops to break even, right? So at least then you've booked some profits. Move stops to break even. You're risk free. You're not going to lose any money at that point, and see what happens, right? And then price would have continued bullish. You would have made more money, right? So next time, just think about what you're doing first. Calm down. Take a breath. Take a step back. Think about your plan, right? Your trading plan. Follow that plan. Follow your rules. Just take a second to breathe. That's why I like this indicator. It gives you discipline and a good trade plan. Yeah, exactly. That's why I wanted to set it up that way as well. Francois. I mean, it's fine closing early, Hasib, if you close some of the trade, right? If you're closing all of it too early, then, you know, when you do have a losing trade eventually, you're going to wipe out most of those profits. It's fine taking some profits earlier, right? As long as you're taking a percentage of your profits and as long as it's a part of your trading plan. And there's no problem with that. Discipline comes from your losses. You feel sadness right now because you lost. This is natural. Now, what is the big picture there? Figure out the reason why you are sad. You lost because you lack knowledge, and that can be solved if you put discipline in place. Exactly, Charlie. That's what I always say, bro. That's what I always say. It's fine losing a trade if you followed your plan. You know, you have good risk management, a good trading plan. You followed your strategy, right? If you do all those things and you lose a trade, it's fine, right? As long as you've followed your plan. But if you're losing a trade because you're making mistakes, you're being impatient, impulsive, greedy, you know, you're not showing great discipline or risk management, and you're just having FOMO and seeing dollar signs, then that becomes a problem. But everybody has a losing trade, you know? It's part of trade. Hola! Yeah, I can't read that, my guy. Unfortunately, I wish I could. Any translators in the TikTok chat can translate this for me? What's the best lot size for a $500 account? Use a lot size calculator, Hasib. That's going to tell you. Or just Google. All you have to do, bro, is just go to Google and say, what is 1% of 500, right? And then you figure out the lot size from that. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, Shabby. He's saying I'm new and starting out now. He wants to be successful as you. Greetings. Oh. Welcome, Rico Javi. Welcome, man. Your latest indicator which is coming out and the one which you are using now, which one do you? There's only one version now, Kayango. It's just version 4, my guy. I did not tell you welcome. This is your first comment, Bruce. Welcome, brother. What the hell is that? Oh, Kenji boy, what's up, man? Mario. Thank you guys for the diamonds. Yeah, wait, did you just say 1% of 500 is 50? 1% of 500 is not 50, my guy. There's no volume. I mean, there's volume right now. There's volume in these candles. Price is just at this key level right now. It's figuring out what it wants to do. It's nice to be weekdays. I know. I'm happy that the markets are back open again. Support at 2341 on the hour time frame. Price could easily retest to, what do you think? 2350. I mean, yeah, 2350. Yeah, for sure. We got previous daily highs up there. If this daily candle during New York open really starts to push, break these highs on the daily, yeah, we could easily hit that 2350 for sure. Nice, Bruce. Let's go. That's what I got burnt with gold dollar signs. Now I have a trading plan and a stronger mindset. Yeah, I like that, Samantha. Let's go. It's all about just keeping improving, you know. Keep improving, learning where you're going wrong, learning where you're making mistakes, flipping that, having a, you know, improving your mindset, your psychology, your strategy, your plan. Just constant improvement. I've decided today to put a little money into a live account, just start practicing with 0.01 trades. Yeah, Squizzy, 100%. As long as you know that there's a potential you're going to blow that account, as a, you know, a lot of us do when we first start trading. You do it right. You really start to have different emotions when you're trading with a live account with your own money. You will make a couple mistakes, obviously, but I agree that starting with a small $50, $100 account can be more beneficial than starting a demo account, right? As long as you can afford to do that, right? Obviously, people out there who are struggling with money can't really just afford to throw $50 or $100 into account and potentially lose it. It's a lot of money. So yeah, go for it, bro. Now, the next thing will happen when you lost your trade is your anxiety. You'll feel the need to revenge trading, but you don't know how. Then we have a problem when it comes to decision making, which is another good thing that can be solved by prioritizing your learning on the loss. Trading has nothing to do with your money. It has everything to do with your discipline and emotional management. It will show what you lack. Yo, Mario Explored. Appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Yeah, Charlon, I agree. Charlon is giving out gems right now in the YouTube chat. Took my first trade using your indicator, booked in a W. Nice, Laser. When was that? Is that just now? It's on my website, Pepe Heisenberg. My first time joining your live. Nice, Bruce. Brucey. I reported it. Reported what? What did you report? I'm from the UK originally, Bruce, but I live in Australia now, in Melbourne. Yeah, exactly, bro. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the amount of money, right? As soon as you start trading real money, your own money, something just flips in your brain. You know, it's hard to really explain unless you go through it. It's just, yeah, and you know, a bit of anxiety. Or a lot of anxiety, actually. What's my lines? These lines right here. Key levels, bro. They're just from the indicator. Mario, what did you report, bro? Oh, a fake account. Another fake account. What, pretending to be me? Man, I thought they went away. Oh, here we go. We got another troll in the YouTube channel. Bum, 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 bum. Bye, buddy. I genuinely cannot be bothered with trolls anymore, bro. I've had enough. Yeah. I just delete them now, Squizzy. They're just here to just troll, bro. Not worth my time. They had an I at the end of the profile name. Fuck, they just keep coming up with new ones, man. I used to just leave their comments in the chat, Squizzy, but then like people from the chat start to argue with them and shit. Like I just can't be bothered with it, you know. So I just delete them now. What's up, Bernice? Ben BT, it's on my website, bro. Been having a good run with gold. Yeah, it's been decent. It's not been bad at all, actually. This week is gonna be rough though. Trump. A lot of news this week. NFP, interest rates, unemployment. So this week on gold is gonna be a bit of a roller coaster, I think. The red and green shade is you're talking about these ones, yeah? They're just they're my trading windows for now. This during these windows is the only time that I look for trades. It's pretty lame, yeah, it is pretty lame, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually sick of them. I wonder if they actually like scam somebody pretending to be me. Like that shit breaks my heart. If they genuinely have made a fake account pretending to be me and scammed somebody, like actually took someone's money, that's not cool, man. Yeah, this is Forex Trading. Usually I risk anywhere from like 500 to 750 to like 1,000 ish. Oh. It just depends on the stop loss. Flicks, whatever is a percentage of your account. All right, Squizzy. Peace out, bro. Squizzy. Oh yeah, like, you know, I'm definitely not no millionaire trader, bro. Like, you know, I use the 5 lot. You know, I'm risking like max 1,500 sometimes, right? I could up my lot size. I could go to a 10 lot, which obviously is going to be a lot more risk. But right now, I'm comfortable with 5 lots. It makes me enough. You know, it just comes. It comes that psychological aspect once you start upping your lot size. Once you start risking more, you know, it's gonna change things for me, right? Like mentally. So right now I'm happy. I'm comfortable with 5 lots. I don't need to really be, you know, using 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 lots at this point. But eventually I'll get there. Two, 3, 3, 8. Yeah, it can come back into 2, 3, 3, 8 for sure. I'm not saying it's going to, but it can. There's a key level here. Garlene, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. One more. How you become successful in trading is you become expert in losing. That is the only key. Yeah, I agree with that. Charlan, you should write an ebook, bro. Right? Write an ebook. Put all of these inspirational trading quotes in there and sell it. And call it inspirational trading quotes or something like that. And sell it. $5, bro. I'll buy it. Shit, I'll buy it. Which is the best broker here in Australia? I use FB Markets, Sajid. Oh, no, I'm not in anything right now, Zio. Bum, 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 bum. All right, Anna. Thanks for stopping by. As always, appreciate you. Have fun at the gym. Near 1k days, great profit. I'd be happy with getting that daily. I mean, yeah, obviously I don't get it daily. If I got it daily, that would be insane. But yeah, usually I'm averaging around the 1k. Sometimes I get a nice juicy 2k, as you can see here, but sometimes I'll even lose 2k, right? Over here, I lost 2,700 in this trade. But then I made 2,600, right? So I almost pretty much made it back. So yeah, sometimes I'll get a nice juicy like 2k trade. But usually, yeah, it's around like the 700-800 to like 1,200, 300-ish. Based on my strategy, right? Because obviously the stops are usually similar, take profits are usually similar, all based around the strategy, my trading plan, and that's why I use a 5 lot. This is 30-minute tucking. Your boss, man. It's my indicator, bro. It's on my website if you're interested. Ben, appreciate the follow. Let's go, Ben. Do you trade breakout if gold 30 closes above its valid trade? Closes above where? Closes above here? I do trade breakout, but no, I do trade breakout. But I wouldn't be trading a breakout above here. Ben said, we got two Bens following one after the other. Ben La Chica and Ben said, let's go. Appreciate the follows. We got any more Bens in here? Oh, Oath coming in with the 6 tiny dinies again, my bro. You're crazy. You just got the tiny dinies stacked up somewhere. Stacked up. Can you explain why you wouldn't take it if close above? Because there's no level for me at the moment. I would take a breakout trade above these highs over here, but right now in here, there's not really anything, right? There's not really anything to reference to go off of at the moment. I did have this level right here, but price is now playing around that, and he's breaking back under, so dun, 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 dun. Let's have a look at this 4 hour. We've got an hour 15 left. Rejecting, coming back down. Interesting how price reacts around this level now once it starts tapping into this key level. Yeah, like this 2338 level. 2338 flat. There could be heavy rejection from in here now. Why is weekly buys bearish if no top wick? What do you mean no top wick? You talking about the previous weekly? Let's go flicks. Big money flicks. You're talking about the previous weekly? It's just going off structure-wise, user. So you can see structure-wise, right? If you take a look at the weekly right now, you can see lower highs and now we have lower lows, right? From the weekly perspective. So momentum structure at the moment is to the downside, is bearish momentarily, right? That obviously could change. But as of right now, in terms of weekly, the structure and the price action is looking bearish, in my opinion. In my opinion. What's your guys' opinion on gold right now in the chat? Let me know. Let's see something. Let's see some analysis from the chat right now. Yo, guys on TikTok, I'd appreciate it if everyone go to my most recent TikTok upload that I posted today and give it a like. Leave a comment if you want. Appreciate that, guys. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. If you don't want to do that, that's completely fine, guys. You know, no hate. D, thank you for the follow. 30-minute, this is the 15-minute. I'm the weakest link. I wouldn't have a clue. Well, you can take a guess. Wait, don't tell me the music has gone already. Wow, that happened quick, man. They've been time framing a buy on that base. Wait, talking about this level right here. This level right here. There's a good chance price could reject this level. Good chance. Oh man. Boy, oh boy. I think I'm still going to be looking at buys above this level today as well if we reach it. If we come up here into this level, 2352650, I'm going to look for buys in here for sure. Alan, thank you for the follow. TikTok, let's go. Alan. The boy Alan in the chat. Hey Ma, thank you for the follow. Looking at the 5-minute chart, it looks like it's beginning to create a retracement to go up and break 2352. 2352. Okay. Wait, you're talking about the current structure, Charlon, like, you know, lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, potentially finding support in here somewhere before continuing bullish. Is that what you're saying? Oh my god. Lovely sell from 42. You just in a sell from 42, man? Nice, man. Are you talking about this one, Oath? This is the 5-minute time frame. That's actually a nice buy there on the 5-minute earlier. 29 pips. Pepe, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, Pepe. That's perfectly aligned on the left side, FVG to run. Yeah, if you're new to trading, Halen, then yeah, I'll stick to like 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. And then once you're a bit more experienced and know what you're doing on those higher time frames, then drop down to the lower. Bro, gold dangerous. What do you mean, O'Neil? Hi, Aman. I don't give signals, no. The indicator does, but I don't. Monday manipulations. So when things like this are happening, right, you're on the lower time frames, you start to see a move like this, and you're like, whoa, gold is selling off, man. Like, look at this. It's a huge move. You just go up to the 4 and you have a look. And you go, okay, so price is coming down. Not that, I mean, it looks bad on the 4 as well, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. But it doesn't look as bad, right? The structure is still bullish at this point because we've got lows, higher lows, highs, higher highs, potential higher highs in here, potential higher lows. The structure is still bullish. Price is just having difficulty breaking this key level right here now. So if in 1 hour's time this 4-hour candle closes below 2338 flat and closes bearish, then there's a potential during the rest of today's session, New York session, that price could start driving down again. There is a chance. So waiting on the 4-hour time frame is key right now. No news day, always manipulate. No news days, you reckon? No news days are the best days, man. Cleanest price action. I'll buy at 20. What do you mean you'll buy at 20? 2320? Why you sell? I'm not in any sell right now, man. Where do you see that I'm in a sell? With my own funds. How's on? You'll buy at 2320, okay. Nice. Nice. Buys around 2332. What are you looking for buys there for? Fluidity trading. Genuine question, just wondering why. The only place I'd really be looking for buys now, me personally, because of, you know, all this to the left, would just be above this, right? Above these levels over here. That's the only other place I'm looking at buys today. FP markets, Hausen. FP markets. FP, bro. FP. Yeah, I see markets is good too, but I use FP. So how does it work? You pay your broker on FB Markets and link 75 trader once. So yeah, MT5 is the platform that it's been massive in the industry for a long time. A lot of people are starting to drift away from MT5 now, or MetaTrader. You know, there is also MT4 as well, but there's quite a few people starting to drift away from it, and the US has also banned most or a lot of maybe just regulated brokers from using it. I know some brokers still do, but it's been the industry standard for a long time now, MT5, especially in Forex. So yeah, basically the broker pays for a server on or something like that on the MT5 platform, or however it works. Your broker is connected to the MT5. You create an account in your broker, which is linked to the MT5. You pay the funds into your broker. It then shows up in your MT5 account under your broker, right? Because it's still your broker connected to MT5. So it's not, your funds aren't in MT5. Your funds are in your broker, but your broker is using MT5 to trade, right? For their clients. There's also C Trader. There's a couple others that have recently come out. DX Trade is another one. DX Trade is supposed to be good. And there was another one as well. I forgot the name of it. But yeah, there's a few different ones coming out now. But I still use MT5. I still prefer MT5 for sure. Yeah, exactly, Halen, exactly. Yo, Eddie, thank you for the follow. Am I buying? No, I'm not buying or selling right now. I had my buys in here earlier. I'll only take one trade a day, or two trades if I, give it a second chance. But if I have a winning trade, I'll take one trade a day. So I've had my trade in here. We were just doing some pre-New York analysis, some trade breakdowns, and New York session has just opened. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna head out. Man. There's not much going on for me right now. Took my trade today. Made 2.53% on my account. Just a little over a K, 15 pips profit. Beautiful. We'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is good. But Wednesday we have. Is it Wednesday? Where was it? Yeah, sorry. So Wednesday we've got red folder. Thursday we have, or Wednesday night we have interest rates. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of an interesting week this week. A lot of red folders, a lot of high impact news, very important news, interest rates and NFP. So we'll see how it plays out. Monday started off with the bank note. It's been good. Beautiful trade today. Members also cleaning up as well. So yeah, it's been good. Also, there's fake accounts of me, right? People creating fake accounts, pretending to be me. So do not click any links or pay anybody anything, right? That is not me. Okay. You can see my name is just Forex with Cody. That's it. You'll see that these names have like a 1 in them or an I or something weird, right? If someone messages you trying to get you to pay for something, it's not me. Don't do it. I will never message you first, all right? So don't pay anyone anything. But yeah, beautiful day, right? Members killing it too. A lot of good trades from the members today. They're starting to really understand the strategy and the indicators, so it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. All right, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow. Thank you for all the follows. Nam Gaming, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Thank you for all the love, the diamonds. Let's go. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, peace out. See you later, YouTube. Have a good night, man. Don't over risk, don't over leverage, don't over trade. Protect your capital at all costs. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. All right? Stay disciplined, stay focused, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.